we just had like basically a kind of a mini crash in Bitcoin. This is nothing. Like if this was to happen to the NASDAQ or S&P 500 or gold or something, people would be freaking out. They'd be like, oh my God, the world is over or whatever. This is really nothing for crypto. It is something. I'm sure the people that are trading with leverage, swing trading, they're probably feeling it right now. Blown accounts, all that kind of stuff. I thought price was going to do this, you know, maybe not the line there, but take out this fair value gap here. We'll watch a little bit of last week's video, and then I'll share my plan, what I'm doing, where I want price to go for my next buy in Bitcoin. Okay, so watch this video here. This is from last week. I have a feeling we're going to be ranging within here, and that's why I recommended a buy in Bitcoin here. I didn't think it was going to actually be all the way down here now. I thought it was going to do just some sideways action on this line, like basically going above the line, below the line, and pretty much sideways, right? And then slowly over time come up. It didn't do that though, and what they're calling this here is they're calling it the tech crash or a tech sell-off or something like that. I didn't take really a lot of time to look into it, but anyways, that's what the crypto world is calling it. So maybe some tech companies sold off some cryptocurrencies. Normally when you see news, like negative news towards crypto, it means the big boys are actually buying. So when you hear real negative news, like for instance, like you hear CNN or Fox News or whatever saying, oh, crypto's bad and, you know, who knows what's going to happen with it, blood in the streets type thing, that's when you should actually be buying. And we're starting to hear that in the crypto space there, like news coming out, some big companies are selling off their holdings, or they've sold this amount, or kind of thing like that. They're probably not selling, guys, they're probably buying. Right? Yeah, this is in no man's land right now. You don't want to be buying within here. Like, sure, maybe this is some sort of bottom and we come up to there and it's like, oh my God, that's an amazing buy. But you don't really know. Like, it could go break this level here and we could come all the way down to there. Okay, so we do have this. If you haven't really been following these videos, I have this date on my chart because in the historical data of Bitcoin, this date, for some strange reason, October 5th in the 4-year cycle, is a cycle low. So I put that line on my chart. I do that every cycle lows. I put the line on my chart there for October 5th, and we're gonna see what happens. Is that something? And I'll be making these videos, and we'll definitely make one for October 5th, right? But anyways, this is how I do my buys in Bitcoin, guys, is I don't go and, you know, try to catch the bottom or whatever. I buy based upon if mainstream media is saying it's a scam or like the bubbles burst or whatever, I'll go and I'll buy. Okay, so they're starting to say that, so I'm not buying yet, but they're starting to say it, so that's what I'm starting to think about doing bigger buys now. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. 6 minutes long, that's long enough, and I'll see you guys on Sunday at the live Q&A, and we'll also take a trade during there as well, or we'll do a trade setup. We'll see, you know, how the market is and stuff. So that's it. See ya. Bye-bye.